Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to download videos from Telegram PC. So let's get started. First of all, let's just open up the Telegram real quick, and it's a very simple process, guys. Don't worry, I will show you that how you can download. So here you can see we are into the meme templates group, and I want to download this meme template from here. So how you can do that? Just simply left click on your mouse, then right click on it, and you will see option called save as. Okay, so tap on the save as option and now select the path for your video. Like I'm going to save with this into my desktop, then rename it like meme template. You need to must rename the video, otherwise it will be like random numbers onto your screen. So I will rename and click on the save. So it will start downloading the video and you will get the video. So as you can see, we have successfully saved our video right over here and we are done. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.